Very good morning, one and all. Welcome for this online class. Let's begin with the next question. What we have discussed yesterday is the type of question. The question number. Anyone tell me the number of the serial number of the question? Anyone? Okay. The question is like this. Right, all of you write. Calculate the Q3, that is the third quartile, D2 and P51. The question is calculate the Q3, D2 and P51. Numbers are like this: 21, 28, 33, 35, 38, 40, and the next number is 42, last is 45. So 21, 28, 33, 35, 38, 40, 42, last number is 45. So the total numbers are 8 numbers. What you have to find first? First question is you need to find the Q3. Next one you have to find which one? D2. Lastly you have to find which one? P51. Right? Move to the solution. Formula is same. No change in the formula. What you used yesterday? The same formula. Solution. First apply the Q3. The question is Q3 is there. Q3 equal to the size of 3 into, question is discrete series or individual series, n plus small n plus 1 by fourth item, not the second item. It is a fourth item because it is a quartiles. So divide by 4, fourth item. The size of 3, the size of 3 into n is how many numbers? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number question. So 8 plus 1 divided by 4. Clear? Item. Then the value comes like this. The size of 8 plus 1. Clear? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 4 into 3. Clear? Into how much? 3. So into 3 the value comes 6.75. Clear? The value comes 6.75. All of you find it this number. So how to find this one? See, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 4 into here is how much? First 3. So 3 into 9 by 4. So it comes to 6.75. Clear? So 6.75 is the value. Now how to find the 6.75? Yesterday I think I explained. If value comes like this 6.5, I said the value is between 7 and 8, between these two. Between the 7th item and 8th item, divide by 2. Add the 7th item and 8th, sorry, not 7th and 8th, 6th and 7th item. Between means you have to add the 6th item plus 7th item divide by 2. Now the question is different. It is not 6.5. Exactly 0.5 not comes here. If the value not comes 0.5, then the solution method is different. I hope I am clearing the point. I will repeat once again. This value 6.75 is different. If it comes to 6.5, the answer will be different. The method of solution is different. If it is 6.5, like this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th item is 40 and your 7th item is 42. So you should add 40 plus 42 divided by 2. When it is, the answer will be 41 that time. If it is 6.5, Now it is not 6.5, it is 6.75. This time you should find like this. So first you take the sixth item here, that is sixth item, plus now you take this remaining 0.75 into sixth item means its next item is what? Seventh item. Take the seventh item. Seventh minus the sixth item. So it is a little bit, it may be confusing point for you all. I will repeat once again. This side, observe how to solve this number. The value will be 6.75. So take the first sixth item plus the remaining is 0.75 into, right, into your sixth item means it is between the sixth and seventh. That is, you need to take the seventh item minus sixth item. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಮುಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 7. So 7 you have to take here and take the 6 as it is here only. If it is 7.75, then what you have to take here? 8 minus 7 ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ you should take here 8th minus 7th item. When if it is 7.75, suppose 8.1 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ತೊಗೋತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು? 8th item plus 0.1 ಈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, 8ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ 8th item means its next item is how much? 9. 9 minus 8. Understanding ಆಯ್ತು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನ? Mic, don't open the mic. I is repeatedly saying that, just you write in the chat box, don't open the mic. Okay, now we'll go for the solution. So what is your sixth number? Sixth number is, your sixth number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth item is 1 minute. Okay. What is sixth item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth item is 40. So you write the here seventh item minus sixth item. So write sixth item is 40 plus 0.75 into your seventh item is 42. So 42 minus sixth item is how much? 40. Your sixth item is 40. You simplify this number, right? You simplify this, you will get the answer. So your that number is 40. Now you simplify this. 40 plus 0.75. 42 minus 40 is 2. So 40 plus 0.75 into 2 is, it is 1.5. 0.75 into 2 is 1.5. The net answer will be 41.5. Is it clear? Anyone needs that the further explanation? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ? Okay. Now move to the next question now. Next number. Now the next question is D2. What they are asking is D2. You need to find the D2. So D2 formula is what is your D2 formula? So D2 equal to the size of 2 into n plus 1 divided by 10th item. The size of 2 into n is how many number question? 8 number question. 8 plus 1 divided by 10. Then the size of 2 into 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 10. Clear? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 into 2 divided by 10. Anyone find this number? the size of how much it comes? 2 into 9 is 18. 18 by 10 is how much? 1.8. So how to find this one? 1.8 because it is not 1.5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.5 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ 1.8 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so first you take the first item. ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು 1 plus how much is the fraction? Fraction ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ 0.8 into what is your first number? This first its next number is what? Second number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ what is your first number? Is it this statement is clear? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.8 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಈ ನಂಬರು, ದೆನ್ 0.8 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಹೇಳಿರಲಿ, ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್? 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? is it this statement clear? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು? Then what is your first number and second number? You see here first number is 21. First number is 21 and your next number is how much? First number is 21, second number is 28. Clear? So first number is 21, your first number is 21 plus 0.8, next number is 22. 22 means second number is 22, first number is 21. Make the difference. So 21 plus 0.8, difference between these two is 1. Then the answer is like this, equal to 21 plus 1 into 0.8 is 0.8. Then answer is 21.08. ಓಕೆ ಕಮಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೈತೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? 21.8 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. 08 ಅಲ್ಲ, 21.8 ನಾಟ್ 08. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 21.8. Then move to the next question now. Next question means next number. What is your next question? P51. So you have to find the P51 next. So how to find the P51 then? Like this. P51 you have to find now. P51 clear? Equal to the size of 51 into n plus 1 divided by 100th item. The size of 51 into how much n numbers? 8 numbers plus 1 divided by 100. The size of 51 into 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 100. Anyone do this? 51 into 9 by 100 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ರು? So it was 4 point. The size of 4.59. Where this 4.59 comes? The statement like this. First you take the fourth item. Fourth item plus fraction is how much here? 0.59. 0.59. Bracket ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? What I should write in the bracket? ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ Here is the fourth number means what? Its next number is fifth. Fifth item, very good, minus the fourth item. Anyone tell me in the question which one is the fourth number? Question is here, fourth number is what is the fourth number? 35 plus 0.59 plus what is fifth number? Fifth value 38. So into 38 minus fourth number is 35. Simplify this. 35 plus 0.59. 38 minus 35 is how much? It was a difference of 3. Clear? Then the value will be like this. 35 plus. So anyone do this 3 into 0.59? 1.77. Then answer will be 36.77. Correct? The answer is 36.77. I hope this entire calculation is clear. Eldrigu artha aita madididena? Is it solution clear? Okay, thank you. Then move to the next question. We'll move to next question. Thank you. We'll move to next question now. All you can read the next question. The next question is like this. Calculate the Q2, then D8 and P45. P45. Clear? The numbers are like this. Numbers 35, 30, 28. Someone's mic is open. Mute your mic. It was unnecessary, the disturbance. 28 next. 32. Next number is 15. Next number is 20. Next number is 22. 29. Count the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 more number. Next 33. Next number is 33. Last number is 50. Now if you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 number question. So this was the number of 10 question number. Now if you look out the numbers, numbers are not in the arranging order. Remember, numbers are not in arranging order. So you should do first arrange the values. So solution, arrange the number. Which number first comes? If you see, the first number is 15. Then next number is 20, 22. Next after 22, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, then a 35, after 35, 50. Now you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 number. Now these numbers are in ascending order. Now you go to the solution. The first one is what actually they are asking you to Q2. Find the Q2. Right, what is the formula for Q2? The size of 2 into n plus 1 by 4th item. the size of 2 into n is how much? 10 number question. 10 plus 1 divided by 4th item. The size of 2 into 10 plus 1 is how much? 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 into 11 divided by 4. The size of 2 into 11 by 4, anyone do it? Is it 5.5? Yes. 5.5th item. So now you see that exactly it comes up 5.5. Now no need to find like this. 5th item plus 0.5 minus 6 minus 5. If you do, this one also correct. But exactly you have the 5.5 means the answer is lagging between the 5 and 5th between only. So don't find like this. ಇದನ್ನ ತರ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ 5.5 ಇಂದ 5 ಮತ್ತು 6 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 and 6 means these two number 29 plus 30 divided by 2. The answer is 29.5. So your Q2 is 29.5. Is it clear? Solution. Suppose you hೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಹ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So what is your value? 5.5. 5.5 means 5th item plus 0.5 into 6 minus 5. ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. So 5th number is 29 plus 0.5. 6th number is 30 minus 5th number is 29. Alternative method is one more method. 29 plus 0.5, difference is 1 here. 29 plus 0.5 into 1 is 0.5. Answer will be 29.5. Both answer is same. Right? So don't go this one. In case of the value comes 0.5. 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಟು? ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್? ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. This 29 plus 30 divided by 2 is the best if the value comes exactly 0.5. I hope it is clear. Now move to the next the value. Next question is D8. Clear? D8. So find the D8 number now. D8. What is the formula for D8? The size of 8 into so 8 into n plus 1 divided by 10th item. The size of 8 into total numbers are 10 in the problem, n divided plus 1 divided by 10. Now you find the size of 8 into 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 10. The size of 8 plus 1 by 10. So it was good 8.8. Now it is not possible to find 8 plus 9th item. ಈಗ 0.5 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ನೀವು. 0.5 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ ಥರ 8.5 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದು 8.8 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 8th ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9th item ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ನಾವು. 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 by 2 ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾವು. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ 8th item plus this fraction here, that is 0.8 into, so 8 means next number is 9 minus 8th item. Anyone tell me the question 8th number? Question 8th number nodri ada. What is the 8th number in the question? Eighth number in the question 33. So 33 plus 0.8 into ninth number. What is the ninth figure? 35 minus 38. 33 is the eighth figure. So 33 plus 0.8. 35 minus 33 is 2. So 33 plus 0.8 into 2 is 1.6. Then end answer is 34.6. Yes, 34.6 is the value for this question. Is the solution clear? Solution artha aayta ellargu? Okay. Now move to the next question. Next question is, if you see the next part is which one? Next part is P45. Clear? So you need to find the P45 now. P45. The formula is the size of 45 into n plus 1 divided by 100th item. The size of 45 into n plus 1 by 100. How many n numbers are there? 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 100. The size of 45 into 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 100. Yes, 45 into 11 by 100 means it was 4.95. The size of 4.95 item. So anyone check 4.95 item in the problem. So you need to split now. Take the first fourth number here. Fourth item. Then plus 0.95. Which number? This part here. Plus, sorry, not plus, into. Right in the bracket. So fifth number minus fourth item. Anyone tell me fourth item in the problem? Fourth item in the question. 28 plus 0.95 into fifth number 29 minus fourth number is 28. So 28 plus 0.95, 29 minus 28 is 1. So 28 plus 1.95 into 1 is 0.95. The answer will be 28.95. Yes, 28.95 is the answer. So I hope the solution is clear. Is it clear to all of you? Both these two questions. Ellaರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುವ questions ಇವು? Thank you. I will give two questions. You practice in home. After that I will continue next problem. Take down the questions. ಎರಡು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ. Don't leave the class. Next two questions like this. This was for homework. Not for assignment, only for homework, not for assignment. Find out lower quartile, comma, fifth decile and 44th percentile. So the question is find out lower quartile, fifth decile and 44th percentile. The numbers are like this: 29, 100, 121, 35, 131, 141, 150, 125, last is 100. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remove this first number. First number cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Take it from the 100 to 100 only. Each number ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅವನ್ನ. 8 numbers question. Now if you see the question, what it means that ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು? What is lower quartile? Lower quartile means Q1. Remember, lower quartile means Q1. Fifth decile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? D5. 44th percentile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? P44. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ? ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ upper quartile comma lower quartile and middle quartile. See, the question is upper quartile, lower quartile, middle quartile. The numbers are like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, last is 100. So ascending order ಅದಾವ ಇವು, ascending ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now the explanation is, what is this upper quartile? Upper quartile ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? upper quartile means Q3, lower quartile means Q1, then middle quartile means Q2. So thereby you need to find Q1, Q2 and Q3. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Q1 ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, Q2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, Q3 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಇದು ನೀವೇ? Any doubts? Okay, then move to next question. You write these two questions for homework. The next question is different now. Okay. Now I will start the discrete series. What we solved yesterday offline class, and today I think 2 plus 2 problem, 4 problems based on individual series. Now we will move to the discrete series. Right question, find out Q2, D1 and P25. The question is like this: X 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, last 660. Frequency 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, last is 2. So this was very simple. Now how to solve this question if it is a discrete series? Okay, solution like this: X, you write the same number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, last 60. Frequency 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, last is 2. For the quartile, decile, percentile, we need the CF. So CF means first take the 2 as it is same, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Then n equal to 20. These two always same. Apply the first Q1 formula.
Sir, 3 plus 3, 6, sir.
Okay, I think it is wrong then. We'll do from one by one once again. So 3 plus 3, I think I multiplied here, 3 into 3, it was 3 plus 3, 6. I think I have multiplied 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, plus 2, 17. Very good. N is 17. The first one is Q2. What is Q2? What is the Q2 formula? The size of 2 into capital N now. Capital N plus 1 divided by 4th item. The size of 2 into how much N is there? N is 17 plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 4th item. The size of 2 into 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 divided by 4. Clear? 17 plus 1 is 18. 18, 2 into 18 by 4. So answer is the size of, how much comes? 2 into 18 by 4 is the size of 9th item. Correct? Now you find the 9th item in the CF. CF nu hudukri 9th item elli barutte. So 9th item comes between these two. Correct? So 6 is over here, more than 6 to 10. So the 9 number, it lies in between 6 to 10. So 10 means it is its variable is 40. Yes, so Q2 agidre median madtilappa same. So 9 comes in between 10 to 6. Its variable is how much? 40. So 40 is the Q2. Understanding aita? Discrete series. Hello. Anyone need the further explanation? Are clear? Understanding aita ellarigidu? Okay, thank you. Then move to next one now. Next number is question is D2. We'll go for D2 now. It is a discrete series, not continuous series. Continuous series includes classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20 like that. It is not in a class format, so it was a discrete series only. Now move to the next question is D1. D1 equal to D1 equal to the size of, so 1 is there, 1 into n plus 1 divided by 10, 10th item. The size of 1 into n is how much? 17 plus 1 divided by 10th item. The size of 1 into 17 plus 1, 18 divided by 10. The value will be the size of 1 into 18, divided by 10, how much it comes? 1.8th item. 1.8, all you check this 1.8 in the CF. CF ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ 1.8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This first number is 2, so it means it start from the 0 to 2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1.8 ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 10. ಸೊ 10 is the D1. The value of D1 is how much? 10. Solution clear? D1 ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ D1 ಹೇಗಂತೇಳಿ? Okay, thank you. Then move to next one. Next one is P55, P25. P25 formula. The size of 25 into capital N plus 1 divided by 100th item. The size of 25 into N is how much? 17 plus 1 divided by 100th item. The size of 25 into 17 plus 1 is 18 divided by 100. So the size of 25 into 18 by 100 is 4.5. Many of you are writing. So 4.5. Where the 4.5 comes? See here. So it was more than 3 to 6. So it comes between these two. Between these two, the 4.5 comes. Its variable is how much now? 30. So 30 is the P25. Clear solution? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಡ್? ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. It is not the assignment question.
Sir.
Okay, I will speak you. Don't open the mic. If you have any questions, write in the chat box. The question is like this. Find out Q2, D8 and P50. X 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Frequency 4, 2, 1, 6, 3, 2, 5. So this question is assigned to you only. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ. This was a homework.